You may have heard that land is a great investment right now, but what do people actually do with the land once they own it? Here are the top 3 reasons people buy and how you can make money off of a lot. Hey, I'm Willie Goldberg, and we created DiscountLots.com to make buying your dream land easy and affordable. The first reason people buy land is to build a home, whether it's a second home or a place to live permanently or a place to retire. With rising costs in metropolitan areas, building a home in areas like Los Angeles and Austin is practically impossible. Many of our rural lots are perfect for weekend escapes from the big cities, or for living an outdoor lifestyle of camping, hiking, hunting, and fishing. Another big reason people buy land is to start farming crops or raising livestock like goats or chickens. Whether you sell the fruits of your labor or keep them for yourself, farming is a great way to make use of your land. Just remember to check your local zoning laws and make sure that it's permitted. Finally, many people choose to rent out a tiny house or a cabin on their property. The experience of a couple nights of peace and quiet under the stars and away from chaos of urban life is in high demand, something you can easily provide with the land that you own. Your creativity is the limit when it comes to things you can do with property purchased from Discount Lots. So visit DiscountLots.com to browse our over 500 available properties and buy your dream property today.